Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. With Canadian Thanksgiving coming up this weekend, you need some delicious antipasto, dips and hors d'oeuvre. It can be gougère, croquetas di jamon, hot spinach artichoke dip, baba ganoush, etc. Here's one that is always a crowd pleaser, and it's my Olive Tapenade. With different layers of flavors, this healthy dip is ideal to serve with crostini or crackers. It's a quick and easy recipe, perfect when entertaining. So let's get cooking.
In a bowl of a food processor, we'll add stuffed green olives, some black olives, and roasted red peppers. And to make them from scratch, click on the top right corner of your screen. Then a large clove of garlic cut in half, followed by capers and freshly squeezed lemon juice. We'll put the lid on and pulse a few times so the ingredients are roughly chopped. Then clean the sides of the bowl before pouring in a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. We'll also add mild paprika, which will give a nice flavor to the tapenade, and crack some black pepper. Actually, I always use mixed peppercorns. We'll pulse the mixture again before stopping the appliance and cleaning the sides of the bowl. It's important to do that because there will be big chunks of olives everywhere, and we want an even consistency. We'll now add parsley, about a tablespoon, and process once again for a few seconds. Like I always say, we'll taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. It makes almost 2 cups and we'll transfer it to the fridge until needed. And my friends, this is our Olive Tapenade. This is an amazing recipe to have on hand. It can be served as a dip, a spread for sandwiches, a topping for pizza, and other applications. It's super healthy and very quick to make. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!